In the hot summer, many people who work all day will choose to eat delicious barbecue in the evening. Grilled gluten is a popular food in barbecue. How are gluten skewers made? Nowadays, gluten skewers are mainly produced through machine automation. The main machines for producing gluten skewers include dough mixing machine, gluten forming machine, gluten cutting and cutting machine, gluten cold storage, etc. The dough mixer mainly converts gluten into gluten dough. The main components of the equipment include a frame, a screw propeller, and a reducer. The output can range from 30 kilograms to 120 kilograms per hour. The main principle is to slow down the dough. Stir the flour evenly under the action of a mixer to form a dough, and knead and squeeze the dough. The gluten forming machine is much more efficient than manual wrapping of gluten, with thousands of strings per hour greatly improving production efficiency, reducing production costs, and bringing further profit margins to businesses.